Welcome to another episode of Class Haven Farms. What we got going on today? Well, today we are loading up in the Duramax to head up to Mount Joy, Pennsylvania to go see the guys at Messick's and hang out with the guys at Wolfe Ridge for Messick's open house. And we're also going to catch up with some YouTube channels. So stay tuned and follow us along. All right, so we made it up here to Messick's. Got to run some equipment so far. Been pretty nice. Nice group of people out here. Got a pretty good group of people coming out. So with how cold it is, it's funny when I hit the PA line, she registered 0 for Fahrenheit. I was like, yep. Guess we're not in Southern Maryland anymore. But let me show you guys what they got set up here. So we got a 17 VS. You got some of the big diesel SHOs, 28 Pro X with a 6-way on it, which I just ran and I really like that. Got a little small bundler. Got a 28 Pro. Got a 17 VS. And got the new feeder here. So this is the thing that I came up to see. And yeah, we'll go ahead and get running some equipment here very soon. This is what they've split so far. This thing was completely loaded with wood earlier, so we're trying to see how much wood that they're getting out of that first initial load. Here we have a 28 Pro with a 6-way wedge getting put on. Go ahead and run this one for your wedge height adjustment. Oh, you want it smaller? Okay, that's perfect then.
Only because that's the way I cut it.
Perfect. It does. I like having a full way. right, so had a pretty good day here. Everybody's winding down, starting to pack equipment up. Got a lot of wood split. I think we definitely helped Messick's get some good sales out of today. So Will's over there eating on his graham crackers. But yeah, I think it was pretty good. Pretty good. Six-way was nice to run on the 28 Pro X. Sorry you guys didn't get to see me running it. I think Bob got some video of me and some other people did. So hopefully I'll get to see those videos. But it's hard to take videos of yourself when you're out here helping out. But yeah, good day, man. A lot of cool things. A lot of nice equipment. A lot of great people.
Yeah. It's kind of cold out here.
This was everything that was in this in-feed hopper prior to us starting today, minus a couple of those rounds there. So definitely a decent amount of wood there. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like this kind of stuff, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow us along, and we will definitely be back up here next year to do it all over again. So as always, I'll see you on the next one.